everyone, welcome back to Trading with Susie, where we unravel the mysteries of day trading with a side of humor. Today we're tackling the question that's on every aspiring trader's mind. How much money do you really need to start day trading? Well, spoiler alert, it's not as much as you might think, but it's definitely more than a couple of bucks and a bag of chips. So you've decided to dive into the world of day trading, and you're wondering if you need to sell your kidney to fund your new hobby. Well, let's break it down with the real costs involved in getting started so that you don't end up robbing your piggy bank, or worse, your retirement fund. First, let's debunk the myth of the minimum amount that you need to start day trading. If you've heard that you can start with just a few $100s, well, that's about as realistic as expecting a goldfish to dive into a car. And that's because, although, yes, you can be highly profitable as a day trader starting out with only a couple of $100, the truth is, profitability is not just about money. It also involves the 5 Ps of day trading: picking the right stock, plotting the targets accurately, profitably planning the trade, playing or executing the trade according to your trade plan, and profiting. Imagine you start day trading with just a tiny $100 account. You're eager and ready to conquer the market. It's a very slow day on the market, but ticker PLCE is on our watch list. You wait for the breakout above $8.26 resistance level at 9:58 a.m. And that's when you get the buy alert as it's breaking out for you. You enter the trade at $8.36 and you stay with that trade all the way to your target, using the 150 EMA as your trailing stop. It takes a little bit of time, but price holds the trend all the way to your target of $10.15. Your trade pays you a whopping $1.79 profit per share, which is really excellent. But overall, since you're only trading with a $100 account, you're only able to bank $19.69 on that very good trade. So yes, you can absolutely start trading on a teeny tiny account, but you need to be real about all of it. You won't be driving a Lamborghini anytime soon unless you're able to leverage more money. Taking that exact same trade while leveraging just $5,000 instead of $100, suddenly that same trade turns your $5,000 account into a $6,000 account. A very simple, realistic trade that paid you $1,070 profit in about 2 hours. That's a very good salary by anybody's standards, and it's completely realistic. Now let's talk about the PDT rule, or the pattern day trader rule. If you're trading in the US, this rule states that if you want to make more than 3 day trades in a rolling 5-day period, using a margin account, you need to have at least $25,000 in your account. That's right, you need to save up a little bit if you want to avoid being labeled as a pattern day trader. And if you are that, then you face big trading restrictions. And this is a big, big but. It only applies to margin accounts, and it doesn't apply if you're just using an all cash account. And more on that in a minute, but let's talk PDT, okay? The pattern day trader. Let's say you've saved up $10,000 and you're eager to start day trading. First of all, to trade with anything less than $25,000, you'll need to open an all cash account, not a margin account. And this is actually how I recommend beginners to day trade anyway. I recommend they only use an all cash account and not margin. Margin accounts can be much more risky if not used properly. So no matter how you slice it, as a beginner, you should start with an all cash account. And that means you can start with literally any amount of money, no matter how big or small. And the big bonus that comes with using an all cash account is Schwab recently implemented a T1 settlement, which means you can leverage your entire account each day, and your funds, including any profits that you made, will be available to you the very next trading day. It used to be you had to wait 2 whole days for that settlement. If you leveraged your entire account during a day, and even if you made profits, those funds that you used would not be available to you for 2 full days. So if you traded on Monday, you can't trade till Thursday. But now your funds, if you traded on Monday, your funds are ready for you Tuesday, all of it. And they're fully available the very next day, including the new profits that you made on your trade. So this is a game changer for those of you who are all cash account traders. Tip number 3. Risk management. When you're day trading, having a buffer fund is like having a cushion to soften the blow when things go awry. Risk management is crucial, so you should have extra funds to cover unexpected losses and avoid the dreaded margin call. Tip number 4, the cost of day trading beyond the initial capital. Now, there are other costs involved in day trading. Most brokers in the US are all now commission free, so you don't have to pay anything to be a day trader in terms of commission. It's all free, and that's huge. It used to be around $5 per trade, which can get really expensive very, very quickly, but those fees are all now completely gone, giving you 100% unlimited commission-free trades. There are small transaction fees that are literally teeny tiny percentages and are completely reasonable. I just wanted to point that out. Commissions are gone, but there are teeny tiny transaction fees that do still apply. Tip number 5, finally, it's crucial to have realistic expectations. Building up your account takes time, practice, and discipline. Start with an amount that you're comfortable with and gradually increase it as you gain experience and confidence. Let's look at the stock BOF. We traded it several days over the course of a week or so. September 3rd was our most recent day trading it. Because we had been working with it, we already had it on our watch list, and all of our targets were already on our chart and ready to go for us. If you begin with $5,000 and used our tools and our strategy, your chart would have given you a strong buy alert at 7:49 a.m. at $2.80 with a target of $3.60. That little trade would have only taken you about 12 minutes. And using just $5,000 and our tools, the trade would have paid you $1,428 profit. See the nice, clean, easy to read trend? So trading like this with these tools, our strategy allows you to leverage even small funds and slowly build your account fairly quickly over time. With each successful trade, you add a little more to your account. It's like starting with a small snowball and rolling it into a giant snowman. Slow and steady wins the race. Tip number 6, practice accounts and demo accounts. Before diving in with your hard-earned cash, you absolutely need to practice. And using a practice account or a demo trading account or a simulator is a fantastic way to learn the ropes without risking your real money. These demo accounts are free and worth their weight in gold as you become acclimated to the trading environment and business. Plus, it helps you get a feel for the market and develop your strategies. So let's imagine you spend a few weeks on a demo account, testing different strategies and honing in your skills. When you finally switch to a real account, you're more prepared and less likely to make costly mistakes. It's like taking a few test drives before buying a car. It helps you avoid making a hasty decision. Tip number 7, continuous learning and adaptation. The world of day trading is constantly evolving, so it's essential to keep learning and adapting, stay updated with the market trends, trading strategies, and new tools to stay ahead of the game. And above all, trade with a mentor, one who can give you the correct tools, the training, the guidance, and the support that you'll need as you learn the business. All right, now, traders. Now that you've got the lowdown on how much money that you'll need to start trading, it's time to take action. If you're ready to dive deeper and get personalized guidance on building your trading strategy, I've got something special for you. Join my free web classes where I break down the trading strategies, risk management, and techniques, and much more. These sessions are packed with actionable insights and are the perfect way to kickstart your trading journey. Head over to MomentumStockTraders.com and sign up and grab your spot for free. Don't miss out. Let's turn those trading dreams into reality together. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, trading is not just about how much money you start with, it's about how you manage it and grow it and keep those strategies sharp, your trades smart, and may your trading journey be filled with success. Until next time, happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.